Hey guys, so I wanted to touch on the last mineral deficiency that's really common for parakeets, specifically budgies. And that is the omegas, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, sorry. Supplementation is vital for both birds and humans because our bodies do not naturally create these fats. Interestingly, the needs of these fatty acids are synthesis of hormones, construction of the nervous system, man, that's important, including the brain, and then maintaining the integrity of the membranes which surround the cells. So these are very important to be sure that we're supplementing omega-3s and omega-6s. Things that include omega-3s are chia seeds, linseed, flax, hemp, fig and kiwi, and walnuts. Super easy to get those into their diets. Things that include omega-6s, nuts, cereals, and the majority of vegetable oils. Of course, I will include the websites that I got most of this information from. I'll put that in the description. So most foods that provide omega-3s also provide omega-6. That's really fascinating to me, but not the other way around. So the things that are providing omega-6s don't also provide omega-3s. But this is something that's cool and unique to birds. I don't believe our bodies do this, but birds may have some ability to convert omega-3s to omega-6s. So there's a greater emphasis in providing omega-3s. Now, probably most store-bought bird seed blends have a lot of those seeds in it. But if you're making your own seed blends, you can be absolutely sure that you're providing those different kinds of seeds, specifically chia, linseed, flax, hemp. You can make sure you're putting those in their food and they're getting the opportunity to eat those. So that's the last deficiency that I wanted to talk about, or common deficiency. Next, in this series, the last video in this series, the wrap-up to all of this, is just going to be general vitamins that our birdies need and easy special ways to provide those vitamins. So check back, make sure you're watching all the videos in this series so you can be absolutely sure that you're maintaining the health of your little babies as much as we possibly can. All right, see you next time, guys.